yesterday is to have an introductory video into biodiversity banking, explain to you what a concept is all about, what it's looking to achieve, and how it can make it happen very briefly. So, what I'd like to do for with you today in the next 4 or 5 minutes is to explain to you how biodiversity works. Yeah. So, for you to understand what are the mechanisms that drive this market-based approach to conservation. And on back of that, remember, one day one concept is all about in 5 minutes explaining the concept and make sure that you're a lot more knowledgeable about it. And you can do your further research by yourself, right? Excellent. So stay tuned because I like to tell you how biodiversity banking actually works, right? Excellent. Hello again and welcome back. My name is Tony Tio. I am the founder and CEO of Renewables in Africa. So what we do is very simple. We raise awareness about renewables energy in Africa and across the globe. If you're a project developer, if you are an EPC company, if you are an investor or you are a supplier and you want to tap into Africa, you want to expand this beautiful continent, that's a great news first thing. But I would like you to reach out to me immediately. Why? Because I definitely want to support you. I want to help you to shrink your business development cost. I want to help you to fasten as well your business, your customer acquisition process because there's two things that usually give you a lot of hassle. I want to help you with that, right? How am I going to do that? Well, I like to talk to you about the awareness packages that we have. I don't know if you're aware of it. Yeah. Those awareness packages will help you with three things. Number one, give you more visibility to people that buy your product or your services. So you're a customer. That's what I want to do. I want to make sure as well that you get enough leads, based on that visibility that we're going to provide you. And from those leads, obviously derive the sales. And that's what's going to grow your business. I want to do that and I want to show you why I believe it would work for you. And I want to make sure that you are convinced. What I want to do is basically, if you book just a 15-minute call with me, show you what I've done and what I'm doing currently with other people, with other kind that we have, and why I believe it worked just for you and just as perfect. Yeah. And that's what it's all about. So coming back into the topic today, we talked about biodiversity bank. So how does it work? Yeah. So biodiversity bank, they are established by conserving areas of land that are rich of biodiversity, managing them to enhance their ecological value. So that's what it's all about, pushing that upward. And the bank operator generate credit, yeah, by improving the habitat quality or creating new habitat, which are then certified by regulatory agencies. So that's what it's all about. So relatively simple as a concept, right? So if you know how carbon credit work, if you know how IREC work, that's the same spirit, right? So you've seen that before. You take a ecosystem which is particularly interesting, you enhance it by making sure that you can enrich it with a better habitat or any other environmental measures that you're taking in order to boost the value. You create credit out of it and then you can sell it to the market. So developers purchase this credit to compensate for the environmental impact of their projects. That's what they would do because they want to ensure compliance with conservation objectives. Otherwise, they won't be able to get permit that they need later on. So they want to do that and they want to demonstrate evidence because more and more action these days require people to evidence their claim by something very concrete so that we could see. IREC is one of them. You can evidence that you're definitely consuming and promoting renewables energy. In here, you can evidence that yes, you're supporting environmental habitat, environmental. You reduce your environmental impact, by purchasing those credits. So this creates a financial incentive for landowners, but also businesses to invest in and maintain biodiversity. So that's actually how it happened. Yeah. So the operational framework of biodiversity represents a symbiotic relationship between the economic development and the environmental stewardship. So that's what I had to say for you on this topic. So hopefully it gives you some understanding of what it's all about. So if you like it, yeah, you like the video, definitely thumbs up. You want to put in there, comment as well, but share with people that you know. And I'll come to you tomorrow. We're gonna talk about that more in detail. Thank you very much, and you have a much beautiful day. Take care, guys. Bye bye. This is Tony to you.